Hello guys, welcome back to Unported Legend. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. Today we're going to take off. I'm going to do a hand launch.
Home points updated.
Alright, so the drone's in the air now. As you can see, we're flying in this nice area. We're going to go high. As you can see, there's a nice lake here. We're going to explore that as well. Alright, so we're going to go to the max height and do a 360 photo. So going to go up to the max height first. Just look at that view, it's amazing. Start off with a 360 photo.
Max altitude.
Panoramic photo. It doesn't want to do the 360 photo. I don't know why. It's a nice lake over here. We're going to go this way. It's a really nice sunny day. And I'm trying to go all the way to that building over there. It's really nice, this area. It's like a green. Really green in this area. Alright, let's see what's down here. Alright, so I'm just going to turn back. Let's turn around. Let's check out the road down there. You can get a nice shot of that. Whoa, look at that. It's really nice golden shot. After we're going to go the other way. Look at that lake, let's get an orbit shot of that. I did that after. Look at that shot. I'm professional at the just look at that, that's insane. Alright, that was a bit of wind. Let's get a low down shot of this lake, shall we? That is insane. I really like this shot. Then we're going to go up, we're going to do a cinematic shot. Insane. This is 60 FPS. Alright, let's start heading back now. Let's track this car while we come back. Afterwards, I'm gonna do some automatic tracking. I'm gonna do some active track. It's coming back slowly, so we're gonna come back faster this way. So look at that. Really nice day for flying as well. It's nice sunny. It might be hard to track some vehicles because you have to go faster, and I don't want it to hit any trees as well. So I'm gonna do it manually instead. I'm gonna track it manually because it's quite risky just tracking it automatically. Should track it this way. Let's track. Let's go this way. I haven't been this way before. Alright, let's go down here. Just look at that view, it's insane.
Max altitude reached.
Alright, let's just stay here and let's just get some shots. Let's do an orbit shot as well. This is some insane footage. Alright, let's start heading back now. Let's get this shot instead. Afterwards, we're gonna try to freeze the photo again. If it's failure, we're gonna just carry on flying because there's nothing I could do. Let's descend a little bit. Let's go the opposite way. We're gonna go north. Alright. Let's go over here. Look at this open area. Let's see what's down here. So there's a road down here.
Max altitude reached.
There's not much to see down here. There's open fields. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I flew around there before, big fields, in my past videos. It's really open. The only problem is flying in open fields. There's really not much to see. When you're flying in more of an urban area, there's more to see with the drone. The sun's starting to go down a little bit. There's a bus over here, let's track it before it goes. Let's just do a 360 photo. I'm gonna go above here, I'm gonna try the 360 photo again. If we can't do it, then we're just gonna carry on flying. Alright, the 360 photo is working now. It just didn't work in the beginning. Alright, so the 360 photo is complete. Put it on the screen right now. And I'll put the actual 360 photo in the description down below. So let's start recording. We're going to track this bus now. Actually, we should have tracked the inactive track. It's too late now. Alright, let's go to 30 FPS. And do 30, not 48. Now we're gonna record in 30 FPS. So we're gonna try active track. You know, I want to do an orbit shot of this. Let's do an orbit shot of this bridge. Actually, you know what? Forget it. There's a bus right here. Let's track it. Right, we're tracking it. We're going to do active track. Oh, it's tracking a truck. Let's carry on tracking it. Oh, I lost it. Let's cancel it. That happened in my last 2 flights as well. It tracked, because the top of the bus is white, it tracks that instead. It tracks the truck instead. Let's track it. Actually, no, we're not going to be able to track it because it's going to lose it. See, it lost it again. That tree doesn't like that tree, does it? Alright, I'm going to go back to 60 FPS. Just going to get our last few shots because the battery is 26% now. What else can we get a shot of? Let's get one more shot of this. At 20%, we're going to come back. Because we're local anyway, so. Alright.
Battery level is low.
Let's turn back
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Gonna get a tracking shot of this van. Amazing. That looks amazing. That'll be our ending shot. as we descend. See, look at that shot. You know, I haven't got a low down shot in this area before. I don't know why I haven't done that. We can do that quickly. Alright, now we're going to turn back. Look at that. I don't know why I didn't do that. Just look at that. Look at those low down shots. I don't know why I haven't done more of that before. I should do more of that. In the next flight, I'll probably do more. Alright, let's land it. Alright, that was our amazing drone flight. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you soon.